All right, so I need you guys. These are all organelles that we've been studying. There's a list of the organelles that we've been studying up there on the board too. So try to identify the colored parts are the organelles I want you to try to identify. Remember last week you're making a poster, a holiday tree with these organelles, so maybe you were drawing these. Also, in the pages you're supposed to be bringing with you every single day on 365 or 465, that picture of the cell. If you look at the comparison between what you see here and what you see up there, you should be able to figure those out too, just kind of matching up the pictures as best you can. So, but get this out. I need to see this before I stamp your learning log. You gotta start bringing this every day. A lot of you just aren't bringing it. Is there a reason for that? Or you just forget?
I forget.
So you gotta remember.
That was on the weekend. Right?
You gotta remember. What can you do to help you remember?
Put it in your back.
Put in your backpack. Yeah, I don't know. Stick your whole book back there. I don't know. Just for once. So you bring it, pull them out, staple them, and then you'll just bring these to class every day. All right. So match those up. The least you can just guess based on what you see on the board. Those are the organelles we've been studying.
Are we going to do posters today?
Not today. Wednesday we're going to finish them. You're going to present them. All right. Who's got their paper? So, Phil, what do you think? You figure these out? Here's that picture. Here's the picture. Ah, nucleus. That's the one on there. Right. Put your phone in your backpack, okay? You get that piece of paper and pencil. Oh, I need to get that piece of paper. It's something to write with, Jade.
Something.
Try that out, okay?
You got paper.
I don't feel like getting that shit. It's a lot of work.
Yeah, give me an idea. Just write down a guess, Mari. Just guess. It could be any one of these that you see on the board. It's okay to guess. Remember, you're not.
Is that a wall?
Caden?
Is that a wall right there? Look at a D. A wall. Like a D. Is that like a part of it?
There's like a whole bunch of membranes.
Oh. Oh, that's how you supposed to look like.
Oh, you put that phone on there. Yeah.
I think that's cell.
Get some guesses now.
You say cell membrane?
I know you can do it. You can guess.
Uh,
All right, when you put that away there, Jade.
D.
And you have any paper in there? No paper? Pas de papier?
Could be endoplasmic.
Alright, you got guesses? Alright, so write it down, Not today, but we'll get to it. Okay? You want to see the penguins, huh? Penguins are popular. What can I say? All right, so let's see who gets chosen. Stephanie, can you help us, please? Label these organelles. Stephanie, which one could you label for us, please? All right, what do you think A is? Yes, A is the Golgi, responsible for processing and packaging proteins. And on your poster, it might be, represented by wrapping some presents, like a wrap present coming out of a Golgi. That'd be a cool representation. That'd be showing you know about it, what it does, and combining it with the holiday spirit. All right, thank you, Stephanie. Let's see. Philip, can you help us with B, C, or D?
B. I got mitochondria.
Mitochondria is correct. Yeah, that's mitochondria. Kind of jelly bean shaped. It's got these membranes inside of it. That's good. What, Francisco? That's a good song. What's the mitochondria known for? Dwarf. Okay.
It's not putting all the bacteria, no.
Well, that's part of the endosymbiotic theory I think you're mentioning, in that millions of years ago it probably used to be a bacteria living on its own, but now it's been incorporated into a larger cell. But its job for a cell, what does it help the cell to do? What does it make for the cell? Energy, yeah. It's the energy, creates energy. It's the powerhouse, a.k.a. power. No, nucleus is the brain of the cell. Okay, it controls everything, controls it. Caden, speaking of nucleus, can you help with C? It is nucleus. Nice. I'll let you. Good, nucleus. The brain. Powerhouse. Golgi is the gift wrapper. We'll say the wrapper. It wraps it up. Not like rapping, like the music, but wrapping it up and helping it deliver. And the last one, which of you can help? Ivan, what do you think D is? Don't know? You want some help, Ivan? Okay. Mari said cell membrane, which is really close because this is all just a whole bunch of membranes, but it's inside the cell, and it's right outside the nucleus. Those of you with not the cell wall, those of you with the book pullouts, what's surrounding the nucleus that's made out of a whole bunch of membranes? What's that? Ribosome? Well, ribosomes are attached to here. Ribosomes are the little dots on there. Renaya, what do you think? What's that cell organelle that's surrounding the nucleus that's made of, like this is the nucleus right here. Like that's the nucleus. And these are all a bunch of membranes surrounding it. So in your book on page 465, what's that structure that's surrounding the cell with membranes? What's that, Renaya? Cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is all the stuff inside. You want some help? Emmanuel, what'd you say? Thought you said something. I think you said somebody over here. Wesley, did you say it? You said. Kate, what did you say? Yes, it's the endo. That's a D. You did say, didn't you? See, I told you. Don't second guess so much. Endoplasmic reticulum. It's such a hard thing to say. Second. Reticulum. Did we abbreviate it? What do we call it? What would be a good abbreviation? Let's start today. We want to abbreviate it. ER. Let's just call it the ER. Let's make it easier. Let's make it easier, not harder. That's what I say, right, Alexander? Yeah, and we're not going to Somebody at the door. Thank you, Destiny. Okay. So, now for the next 15 minutes,